Before we get started, subscribe to my channel. I'm going to show you how to tag people in a Facebook post. This has been a very busy day. You know, we're getting ready to go to Port Arthur. I've been getting my food truck ready. So I'm going to walk you through this on how easy it is to tag somebody in a Facebook post. It's pretty simple to do. So just say, for instance, here on this post, I'm going to create a post. I'm going to say good morning. And in this post, I'm going to tag my wife. So I'm going to start typing her name, Jocelyn. So I'm going to type a capital J, O-C. So that's the only name that's similar. So that's one of my friends. So you go and just click on it. Just say, for instance, I type a lowercase. It won't even pick it up. So you got to have like an exact name. But if you put the @ sign and start typing a J, it picks up everything that has a J in it. And then you can just click on it and pick that person. Say, for instance, I'm going to tag my sister Tammy. You notice that nothing popped up, lowercase. But if I backspace and start typing an uppercase T, you notice her name pop up. So I can click on her name. Or if I type @ sign and start typing Tammy, it'll pick it up. And I'm going to copy a couple of more of my sisters. You probably imagine, how many sisters you got? I got 8 sisters. 8 sisters and 5 brothers. So I'm going to just go ahead and tag a few of them. And I'm going to type good morning. And then you go there to the bottom and you hit the share. And once you share it, it's going to tag it on their timeline. So if this video helps, subscribe to my channel and look at a few videos I have on my channel. I have a lot of videos on how to do things, a lot of welding inspection and everything. Thank you.